Hi, in my last video we talked about how to get the Nearpod link, and in this video we're talking about how to use Nearpod. So first, once you have the link and you click on that, you will have the join screen. You're going to enter the code, click on here, and type in or cut and paste the join code and click join. You will need to put your name. I want your first and last name in here. I need to know your name so that I can see what lessons you are doing. You do not need to put nickname. Most of the Nearpod activities that we will do will have a slideshow in front of them. These are the slides from the day's lesson. So when you are doing a makeup lesson, for example, you missed class, these are the slides that we do together. You can scroll through these slides to see everything that we practiced in the class. When you finish reviewing the slides, you can click on the right side the arrow to go to the next slide. The next slide is an activity. It is a collaboration board. That means we can write a note and post it somewhere on the board. Here it says the power of goals. Look at the picture and answer the questions. What is the woman doing? Why is she doing that? I click in the box down here, the text box, and I type my answer. She is, and I'm not going to complete it, I'm just going to show you. All right, and I would answer that question, and then I would click post. I also have the option to post a picture. You can click this image icon, and that will allow you to upload a picture to the collaboration board. Okay, so now we can see that I have added something to the collaboration board, and we can see that right there. When I am done, I can go to the arrow on the right side. This is an open-ended question. That means I will read the question here, and I will write my answer here. Sometimes there will be more information, like a picture or a story that you can look at, and that will be under this area here. But this one just has the question, so I can click in here and I can answer the question, how do you organize your ideas and thoughts? I organize my ideas and thoughts by writing an outline. And I can write more if I want. And then I'm going to click submit. The next practice is a poll. In a poll, you will answer the questions. It says, which Unit 1 goals are most important to you? Choose as many as you wish. So I read them and I click on the ones that are most important to me and I submit. Here's another open-ended question. Tell me about yourself, then tell me why you are taking this class. Again, you can write in here to tell me about yourself. Okay, I'll just put hi for now and submit. So that is how you use Nearpod. There are other kinds of activities that you will learn how to use, but those are a good place to start.